Caribbean travel tips before, during, and after your trip. Ready to escape to paradise? Not all Caribbean islands want you to show up empty-handed. Let's make sure your passport is up to date before you go. It needs to be valid for at least 6 months past your trip. Research visa and entry rules. Lock in your dream stay and boat tours early, especially from December to April when these islands get hopping. Aruba and the Bahamas fill fast, like Jamaica's visa-free charm or Cuba's mandatory tourist card. Travel insurance isn't just a nice-to-have. It's your safety net. Cover canceled flights or that unexpected snorkeling mishap. Pack smart. Light clothes, sandals, reef-safe sunscreen to protect those amazing corals, and bug spray for those pesky mosquitoes. Don't get locked out of your money. Give your bank a heads up about your trip, or set a travel notice in your app before you leave. You've landed. Dive into the local vibe. Catch a festival. Try jerk chicken or conch fritters. And always respect customs, especially outside tourist spots. The Caribbean sun is fierce, even on cloudy days. Slather on sunscreen every 2 hours. Lost bags. And keep that water bottle close to beat dehydration. Ride safe. Only hop into official taxis or pre-booked shuttles. Unmarked cabs can be risky, especially in places like the Dominican Republic. Love the island? Show it. Avoid stepping on coral. Don't litter. And switch to reusable bottles. Let's keep these gems sparkling for generations. Want a warmer welcome? Learn simple local phrases, like good morning or thank you in Creole or the island dialect. It's a small effort with big payoffs. Flashy bling? Nope. Show off less. And stay safer by leaving expensive jewelry. And large cash at your hotel safe. Wi-Fi can be spotty on smaller islands. Download offline maps. And confirm bookings before you lose signal. No buffering while paradise calls. Local laws are no joke. Drugs, vaping, or even snapping military zones can get you in hot water. Know the rules before you break them. Clicking pics. Always ask first before snapping locals. No one wants to be your unwitting vacation star. Tipping confusion? In Puerto Rico, 15 to 20% is standard. Elsewhere, a service charge might be included. Always check to tip right. Exploring solo after dark. Think twice. Stick to busy, well-lit spots to avoid scams or worse. Even locals say don't wander alone at night. Medical care can be pricey and upfront here. Carry insurance info and emergency contacts. A doctor visit in Turks and Caicos might top $200. Eating local is great, but be choosy. Opt for places with good hygiene. And avoid raw seafood or food left out in the heat. Drink bottled water to stay safe. Unmarked taxis might seem cheaper, but can be dangerous. Always choose licensed rides or hotel-arranged transport to avoid scams or worse. Breaking laws here isn't worth it. Strict drug policies and other rules mean serious consequences. Up to jail time. Stay informed and stay safe. Keep an eye on your drinks and stuff. Excessive drinking in unfamiliar spots. You can make you an easy mark for thieves or scams. Party smart, stay safe. Packing up to leave. Double-check your flight, passport, and any immigration forms. Some islands charge exit fees. Have local cash just in case. Handmade crafts, spices, or Caribbean rum. Grab authentic souvenirs that support locals. Avoid protected items, like coral or turtle shells. It's illegal and harmful. Never carry bags or packages for strangers, especially through airports. You could unknowingly smuggle illegal items and will face serious trouble. Before you say goodbye, leave a glowing review and tip your guides or hotel staff. Even small thanks help support the local community. Plan smart. Respect local culture. Enjoy every moment. And remember, leave only footprints behind. Love these tips? Like and subscribe for more smart travel advice. And share your favorite Caribbean souvenir in the comments below. Your Caribbean adventure doesn't end at the airport. Travel responsibly all the way home. And bring back memories, not risks.